You're drowning in frustration right now, aren't you? Chasing growth capital deals that should change everything, yet somehow leave you chained to endless negotiations, vague promises, and hidden pitfalls. It's like you're constantly giving away pieces of your vision, your company's soul, just to get a deal over the line. The truth? Growth capital isn't what it seems. It hides secrets that nobody warns you about, secrets that can ruin your future if you don't see through the smoke and mirrors immediately. Listen carefully. Most growth capital deals sneak in conditions disguised as support that actually steal your control. Investors dripping with charm, but who quietly dictate every move afterward, throttling your innovation, killing your leadership from within. The nightmare? You don't even feel it until it's too late. That vague clause buried deep in the term sheet? It's a leash. That overly friendly partner making decisions without inclusive dialogue? It's a slow poison. That hope for an exit that drags years longer than promised? It's your dream dissolving into bureaucracy. You're angry, and rightly so, because you know your company's worth more than just numbers. You built more than a business, you forged a mission. Yet, the system wants to box you into outdated formulas where value is measured only in quarterly returns and control is passé. You're told to accept this, to conform, to let go of your uniqueness for the greater financial good. No, this is where everything breaks down. This is where most founders give up their vision, step by step, under the guise of growth. But what if you flip the script? What if growth capital could be your tool, not a trap? The first brutal truth to understand: never ever accept capital without locking in your decision power explicitly. Every veto right, every strategic direction, every hiring choice that matters. If it's not written and hammered out like a court document, it means they get to play puppet master. Demand that your growth partner respects your role as the leader and innovator, not an afterthought. Second, insist on clear alignment of values. Don't just chase the highest valuation blindfolded. Check if your investors share your vision for the world you want to build, not just the bottom line. The right capital fights for what you fight for. They amplify your mission, not sabotage it. Focus your energy on investors who are ready to weave into your network, not those predatory sharks waiting to devour. Third, disrupt the standard timelines. Most deals lock you into exit schedules and return targets that force compromises on strategy. Negotiate flexible horizons based on your market and your growth cadence, not theirs. Insist on plans that push you to build, not just flip. Your business needs breathing space to break barriers. Don't sell yourself short in favor of short-term gains. And here's the secret weapon most never mention. Transparency isn't just honesty with investors. It's radical internal clarity with your own team. Build systems where every stakeholder understands deeply the deal's implications, the risks hidden beneath layers of fine print. When your team shares that clear vision and ownership of the path forward, you create unstoppable collective momentum. This is a call to rise above the false promises and illusions spun by the usual private equity narrative. Growth capital can be a catalyst for real transformation, but only if you become the architect of your deal, not the victim. Command every term, demand every right. Grow your capital in a way that pushes limits, that defies models, that transcends borders and outdated rules. Remember, the system expects you to settle. Your fiercest power lies in refusing to settle. Teams like yours, founders, investors, leaders, don't just want money, you want freedom, impact, and a legacy. That's what growth capital should fuel, not extinguish. So burn every doubt you have right now. Aggressively step into every meeting armed with these truths. Refuse to let anyone seduce you with easy money and slow poison. Build your network on fierce synergy, on shared fire, on relentless ambition that tears down borders and sets new realities. This isn't a game. This is your life, your vision, your future. Grab that power. Control your story. Make growth capital your secret weapon, not your cage. Now go. Take every piece of this and dominate.